In the Marchit framework, when physical links are up but devices can't communicate, we check circulation on the transport plane. Today, we are triaging a collapsed DHCP pool. The endpoints are alive, but they are logically isolated. We get the alert the break room VLAN is down. We check workstation 6. It has an APIPA address, a 169.254. The device is trying to pull an IP, but the network is refusing to provide one. It has no circulation. Before we tear into the router, we check a neighboring VLAN. It's pulling IPs normally. This tells us the DHCP service itself is healthy. The issue is isolated strictly to the break room subnet. We jump into the router hosting the DHCP. First rule of triage: check the vitals. We run show processes to make sure the CPU isn't spiking and the router isn't locking up. Vitals are stable. We can proceed. We check the specific pool. Show IP DHCP pool test lab exhaustion. There is the problem. The pool size is exactly 6 addresses. 1 is the gateway and 5 are leased. We have more PCs than IPs. The pool is exhausted. The subnet is suffocating. We need to increase the volume. We go into global config and target the exhausted pool. We apply a new network statement with a /24 subnet mask, 255.255.255.0. This expands our available addresses from 5 up to 254. Crucial step here. If you expand the pool, you must expand the gateway. We go into the sub interface and update the IP address with the exact same /24 mask. If these don't match, routing fails. We write memory to lock it in. We go back to the patient, workstation 6. We force a new DHCP request. Boom. It pulls a valid IP address from the newly expanded pool. Circulation is restored to the endpoint. We go back to the router for final verification. Show IP DHCP pool confirms our capacity is expanded. Show IP DHCP binding shows the new leases actively handing out. The environment is stable. We write memory one last time to be safe and close the terminal. When endpoints drop off, don't just reboot switches. Check the circulation. Check the volume. Triage first, troubleshoot second.